15 hobbies that replace scrolling and actually improve your life. First, learning a digital skill. Start building something online, whether it's freelancing, a small brand, or content creation. Right now, the internet is creating opportunities every single day, and people are making money straight from their laptops and phones. If you only consume content and never create, you'll always stay behind. Second, martial arts or boxing. This changes the way you carry yourself. You become calmer under pressure, more disciplined, and mentally stronger. You stop avoiding difficult situations and start facing them directly. Third, chess or problem-solving games. These train your brain to slow down and think clearly before reacting. Most people make emotional decisions. Strategy games teach patience, focus, and smarter thinking. Fourth, filming yourself speaking. Watch your body language, your confidence, and the way you communicate. It feels uncomfortable at first, but discomfort is where growth starts. You can't improve what you refuse to notice. Fifth, public speaking or conversation practice. If you can communicate clearly, people respect you differently. Opportunities come to those who know how to express ideas with confidence. Sixth, swimming or long-distance running. These activities build endurance mentally and physically. They teach you how to keep moving even when your mind wants to quit. Seventh, learning high-value skills. Focus on things that actually matter in today's world. AI tools, coding, video editing, copywriting, or marketing. Random effort gets random results. Valuable skills create freedom. Eighth, learning photography or videography. Instead of spending hours watching content, learn how to create it. A camera or even a phone can become a tool that builds income and creativity. Ninth, negotiation skills. Life rewards people who know how to ask for more. Better opportunities, better pay, more respect. If you never speak up, you settle for less than you deserve. 10th, strength training, gym, calisthenics, anything that makes your body stronger. Physical strength changes your mindset. Discipline grows every time you push past your limits. 11th, walking without distractions. No phone, no music, just your thoughts. Most people are scared of silence because silence exposes how dependent they are on constant stimulation. 12th, journaling. Write your thoughts honestly. Not fake motivation, not perfect sentences, real thoughts. Writing helps clear mental clutter and gives you clarity. 13th, reading useful books. Stop consuming random information all day. Read things that improve your mindset, finances, communication, or discipline, because the information you consume shapes who you become. 14th, learning an instrument. Piano, guitar, drums, anything. Music teaches patience and consistency. Progress feels slow at first, but that's exactly what builds discipline. 15th, meditation. Just sitting quietly for a few minutes every day can completely change your focus and self-control. A calm mind makes better decisions than a distracted one. You don't need to master all 15. Pick 2 or 3 and stay consistent with them, because your life doesn't improve from endless watching. It improves when you finally start doing. Subscribe.